Chris, I was so worried about you. What's going on? What's happening?
Well, I don't really want to tell you, and I don't know if I should tell you anyway.
Where is the nurse? Where's the social worker? What's going on here?
They said they were going to come back, but they said, oh, they'll come back when I brought. They were so mean to me and, like, so unprofessional. I couldn't believe it. They don't believe me, and they're so mean.
The nurse told me something about you being a stripper or a hooker or something. Like, what's going on? That's a lie, right? You work at Safeway, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God.
No, I don't. Yeah, well.
Oh, why are you crying? Everything's okay.
Fine.
Excuse me?
Fine.
What is with this attitude? I cannot believe how
They're
disgusting
so
and unprofessional
mean.
this is right now.
You're blowing it out of proportion.
I know.
No,
She
you can
told
get
me
over
that
it,
you're
though.
very...
Oh, really?
It's your own fault.
I was listening outside. This is extremely unprofessional. You're supposed to be her nurse and care for her. You're supposed to be her social worker and help her through this hard situation. She's very lucky to have her sister here.
Well, you guys just need to get out!
How rude.
Okay.